Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo. Today we journey to a land steeped in history and brimming with natural beauty, England. From ancient castles to rolling hills and bustling cities, England offers a tapestry of experiences for every traveler. Join me as we uncover the top 5 must-do activities this enchanting country has to offer. Our adventure begins in the heart of London, on the banks of the River Thames, at the Tower of London. This imposing fortress, nearly 1,000 years old, has stood witness to pivotal moments in English history. Once a royal residence, a prison, and even a zoo, the Tower of London is a labyrinth of towers, ramparts, and cobbled lanes. Feel the weight of history as you stand before Traitor's Gate, where prisoners accused of treason arrived by boat. Gaze upon the dazzling crown jewels, a priceless collection of crowns, scepters, and jewels that have adorned monarchs for centuries. Legend has it that if the ravens ever leave the tower, the kingdom will fall. We leave the city behind us now, venturing north to the Lake District National Park. Here, nature reigns supreme, offering a tranquil escape from city life. Imagine yourself strolling along the shores of Lake Windermere, England's largest lake, its surface a mirror reflecting the sky above. Embark on a hike through the fells, those ancient hills sculpted by glaciers over millennia. Whether you seek adventure or tranquility, the Lake District offers a sanctuary for the soul. From the rugged beauty of the Lake District, we journey now to the Warner Brothers Studio Tour London, the making of Harry Potter. Here, the magic of the wizarding world comes to life, offering a glimpse behind the scenes of one of the most beloved film franchises of all time. Step onto the iconic sets, marvel at the intricate costumes, and discover the secrets behind the special effects. Walk down the cobbled streets of Diagon Alley, peering into the windows of Ollivander's Wand Shop and Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. Step inside the Great Hall of Hogwarts, its enchanted ceiling and floating candles recreated in breathtaking detail. Take a seat at the long tables, where Harry and his friends shared meals and magical adventures. From the Hogwarts Express to the Forbidden Forest, each step within the studio is a journey deeper into the heart of the wizarding world. Whether you're a lifelong fan or a newcomer to the magic, this immersive experience is sure to leave you spellbound. Our journey through time continues as we travel to the city of Bath, home to the remarkably preserved Roman baths. Here, we step back nearly 2,000 years, to a time when the Roman Empire held sway over Britannia. Imagine yourself as a Roman citizen, entering the grand bathing complex, its steamy waters promising relaxation and rejuvenation. Gaze into the depths of the sacred spring, its waters a constant 46 degrees Celsius, a source of healing and spiritual significance for the Romans. Walk along the ancient pavements, worn smooth by the footsteps of countless visitors over the centuries. The Roman baths offer a captivating window into the past, a reminder of the enduring legacy of the Roman Empire. As our journey draws to a close, we find ourselves back in the vibrant heart of London, ready to experience the city's legendary theater scene in the West End. Here, the bright lights beckon, promising an evening of entertainment and spectacle. Imagine yourself stepping into a grand theater, its plush velvet seats and ornate balconies whispering tales of past performances. From timeless classics to cutting-edge musicals, the West End offers a dazzling array of productions. Lose yourself in the story unfolding on stage, your emotions swept away by the power of live theater. Whether you're a seasoned theatergoer or a first-time attendee, a night in London's West End is an experience not to be missed. As our exploration of England's treasures comes to an end, we're left with a sense of awe and wonder at the diversity and richness this country has to offer. From its historical landmarks to its natural beauty and cultural gems, England offers a truly unforgettable travel experience. Thanks for watching Traveling Kangaroo. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels.